Ducati has one seat yet to be confirmed for the next season in its factory MotoGP team. There are three main candidates: Enea Bastianini, Jorge Martin, and Marc Marquez. This is what MotoGP riders think about the hot seat on the Ducati Lenovo team. Fabio Quartararo is confused about choosing one of the three. Martin is the fastest. Marc also has last year's bike and he showed that he was really fast. Bastianini is really fast also. So I feel like he's not me to decide. I don't really understand why he's not 89 already on that bike. What more he have to do? He's been fighting for the title the last years with the satellite team. Never done before. He's the fastest man on track. Everybody say that. So he's clear for me, Alex Espargaro said. Pedro Acosta agreed with the number 41 for sure, Martin. He is deserving the most. He is the leader of the championship. Luca Marini gave a short answer: Marc Marquez. Then Miguel Oliveira added the reason about choosing Marc Marquez Ducati factory. 8-time world champion pairing up with the 2-time world champion in MotoGP. It's quite a strong squad. That's what I would go for. While Johan Zarco predicted Enea Bastianini will stay in his current position. I would have think that Bastianini could stay there. For me, 100% Italian team in Ducati, I have sense. The out-of-the-box opinion came from Maverick Vinales, who said, "Myself? No, I'm joking. I'm joking." Jack Miller also made a same joke as the Aprilia rider. 3 names on the list. I can put my resume back out there for it. Fabio Di Giannantonio admitted that he also dreams of joining Ducati, showing the natural ambition of a rider even though he is not considered one of the top candidates for the position. Why not me? We have to work a bit, but that's also my goal in reality. If you're in MotoGP, you can't aspire to be in the background. I want to improve to become the best in the world and have the best bike. However, the 3 are very strong. Enea Bastianini currently holds the position but is at the end of his contract and needs to prove he deserves a renewal. Jorge Martin, on the other hand, is with Prima Pramac and is leading the championship after finishing as vice-champion last year. While Marc Marquez joined Gresini this year, and with the results he's achieving, he is unlikely to want to stay in a satellite team. The 8 times world champion answered casually about his whereabouts in the 2025 season. When I made this decision, I knew that the Ducati was the strongest bike and I made this decision to ride the strongest bike and see what it was capable of doing, because I also had doubts about what I said, that it was finished. I say, no, now I'm competitive. Since I'm competitive, logically and proximately, I want to look for both where it is, and the color it is, and the bike it is, to have the latest last evolution, because to fight more world title you have more chances. Yes, it is said that both the bike and the brand, this must be understood as best as possible, but obviously I have a clear idea.